You can
shut the car off and give me your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Thanks, put me on 83.
Just gotta let you know everything's being audio video recorded, right?
Yeah.
The reason for this.
The thing is, the car is new, so I don't really have the registration.
You have the temporary one that they give you with the template.
Yeah, and
so that's your registration, right?
Yeah.
The reason for
That kid was speeding so bad, he almost hit another kid in a bike.
In fact, the couple was speeding so bad, a random woman who witnessed the situation told the officer they had put a biker's life in danger.
I know. That's why I stopped them.
Another one? You almost hit me too.
Ma'am, that's why I stopped them. Have a nice night, okay? Yeah, that's why I'm stopping you for reckless driving, careless driving, speeding, and the lights you ran, okay? You were doing at least 100 on Kennedy Boulevard. All right, man? You almost struck my car because I was making a right turn. All right? You don't have a driver's license?
I do. I mean, I have that for now. I'm still waiting for the new one to come in.
Okay, but do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, I do.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna use your stuff, huh? Yeah. It just says ID only, that's what I was asking.
The cop goes back to his vehicle after taking their license and registration for inspection. This is when he decides to give them the punishment he sees fit. Once he discusses the details with his partner, he makes his way back to the couple.
All right, man. Here's your documents.
Thank you. I'm sorry, we're on a first date, me and him.
That's fine, but
Sorry.
almost killing each other is not the way to start on a first date.
The cop does not know how much weight this crucial piece of advice would hold in the future.
Because it just got really carried away. I'm sorry.
I know.
It's my fault. It's really my fault. I swear.
It's not your fault, because if he gets into an accident, it's his fault.
No, it's my fault.
Listen, you're getting 3 tickets. I could have gave you a lot more, okay? You're not even supposed to be driving at this time because you have a provisional license.
Oh my God.
So you're getting reckless. I didn't give you speeding. I'm giving you that break, all right? You got reckless, the traffic light that you ran, and for driving after hours. All right, man?
Thank you.
Get home safe.
Leaving them with 3 violation tickets for their behavior, the cop goes back to his vehicle, hoping the young couple will take his advice and drive home safely. Less than 15 minutes later, a crash was reported. The cop went to investigate the situation.
Yo, this is the same kid.
He immediately recognizes the vehicle. This is the couple he had just stopped.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
As you can see, he is in distress. However, he follows the protocol.
We're gonna need a crash team, sir. Crash team, we need a crash team. That's the same car I just had. Fatal. We're gonna need a crash team. We need a crash team. Yo, guys, you gotta step back. Guys gotta step back. Guys gotta come back. Sorry, guys. It's an investigation at this point.
Medics and rec.
Turn that car back, make them go back that way. We gotta shut down 1 and 9 completely. We gotta shut it down. They make them go back that way. Your truck's gonna be here for a long time. All right, man?
That's fine. No problem.
Car 7, it will be going out with those units.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
70, have somebody close it out at 51st Street coming southbound, and at the Route 3 circle going northbound.
Come on, come back. Yeah.
Kind of shut down. Control unit, put it down by 280 tunnel. You're going to divert all traffic up the Patterson Blank Road.
Yo, that's the same car, bro.
Yeah.
That's the same car, man.
The ball's going to shut down 43rd Street.
He is in disbelief. The emotions running through him at this moment must be inexplicable.
Car 19, go over to 28th
Damn,
Street,
yo.
shut down all traffic, diverted up to Patterson Plank Road.
That's the same car I just had, Sarge.
What happened?
That's the same car I just had, man.
What did you have?
That I stopped him for speeding.
Okay. All right.
Damn, bro, it's bad.
Sending everybody up 48 on Liberty.
That's the same car I just had.
What is that? That's a Volvo?
It's a Kia Stinger.
What happened? It's just fine.
Flying, same thing.
The 2051st shutdown. Affirmative.
Boss man, we just need you to step over there, please. All right? It's right behind the truck. Yeah, it's the first car in. That's the same car.
Are you okay?
Yeah, bro, I'm good. It's just, like, bro, I just told you, slow down, man. Like,
You just stopped that car?
yeah, just hit him off with three. Like,
Oh, that was the same car?
yeah, I told him, like, bro, slow down. I see, like, it's my fault, we're trying, it's not your fault. If you get into an accident,
You good though?
yeah, it sucks. Yeah, that sucks. Damn, bro, young as hell, man. Young as hell, bro. In his 20s. Wow. I told him, don't show off for a shorty, man.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. It just sucks. It sucks.
We'll have a rig come down and check you out, all right?
Yeah, no problem. It just sucks.
What do you need for this?
For what?
Once his colleagues realize the full scope of the situation, they decide the best course of action is to have him mentally screened.
They're making me get checked out. But I'm fine, man. It sucks. Like, I just literally stopped them for the same thing. Like, yo, relax, slow down, bro. And she's like, no, it's my fault. We're just trying to get home, but it's not your fault if they get into an accident. And yeah, they just want me to get checked out because I had them stopped a couple minutes before.
For speeding?
Yeah.
How young?
I don't know the exact age, but they're both young, like in their 20s. Damn, bro. And he was doing the same exact thing, wilding. Like, I gave him a reckless driving ticket.
Sometimes you can only do what.
Nah, it sucks. It sucks.
You tried to tell them. You gave them a warning. You know.
Yeah, they want me to get checked out. It's not like I want to get checked out. I'm fine.
I'm sure you see this all the time.
No, yeah, it's not my first fatal, but it just sucks because I just talked to him. And the girl's like, yo, I'm sorry, officer, it's my fault, we just want to get home. I'm like, but it's not your fault. If you get into an accident, he's driving. And mira, ¿qué pasa?
Did you saw them?
No, I didn't see them. I was the second officer on scene. I didn't see them. I was the first, but I didn't see the accident happen. I heard Toro calling it out.
We later got some insight into the fatal accident. As a truck driver was backing up to the dock at a warehouse for his delivery, the car was coming at a very high speed, causing it to collide with the backside of the truck. This completely damaged the top half of the car, killing the couple in the process.